Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbot's YouTube channel where we keep you posted with the latest happening around the tech industry. We all are aware of the coronavirus outbreak which has crippled the entire world. Even the tech brands are coping up to fight against this epidemic situation. If you have been following the news, then you must be aware of the Zoom video conferencing app and the concerns surrounding privacy on this platform. And to cope up with the situation, several tech brands have come up with their solutions. Facebook has also joined the race. Stay tuned to this video and find out more. With the lockdown situation prevailing across the globe due to coronavirus outbreak, the workforce has resorted to remote working mode. And to stay connected, an online video conferencing platform like Zoom is what helping the companies with the meetings. However, the security concerns have put this app's popularity in jeopardy, making a way of rifle to take the center stage. Recently, WhatsApp increased the number of users allowed in a group video call to compete with Zoom. Now, Facebook itself has introduced its very own platform for the same. Facebook Messenger is the company's dedicated messaging service that comes with a provision for video calling, but the number of participants allowed is limited. And instead of adding the support for additional users in a video call in the Messenger, the company has rather launched the Messenger Rooms that serves this purpose. The Facebook Messenger Rooms will allow up to 50 users at a time during a video call. This will allow the companies and organizations to hold small meetings and seminars similar to Zoom. Also, it doesn't necessarily require a participant to have a Facebook ID to use this service. For the non-Facebook account holders, they can participate in the meeting using the link shared via the host or any of the participants. There is no time limit set for any calls. It is worth noting that the Messenger Rooms is still not end-to-end encrypted. The security is kept intact by the encryption between the participants and Facebook servers. The company is said to be working on this feature and could implement this in the future. As for the features, Messenger Rooms will allow you to fiddle around with the AR effects. If any room is created using Facebook group, then the users of the same group will be added to the rooms by default. Also, you can play around with background effects and mood lighting features. The Facebook Messenger is set to start rolling out for a handful of countries initially. This service is expected to expand to the remaining regions in the coming days. That's all for now. For more technology related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.